Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Cook with Ada. So today we are going to be making this fish. Yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you how I perfectly roast my fish, or grill, no, not grill, but roast my fish, or however you say it. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, of course, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So I started off by adding my paprika. I love paprika, like I love paprika. So and then I'm going to be adding some salt on it. I basically just used the least things. I have my onion powder on here. I put on the onion powder, some ginger, just to marinate the fish. Yeah. So I'm just going to be rubbing that in, and you have to be careful. Honestly, I do not recommend this fish. No, because it has so much bone in it. Like, ooh. It has so much bone. I'm going to be showing you guys, stay tuned, I'm definitely going to be showing you guys the next fish that I recommend. I don't know if that's if everybody eats it, but I hope so. So I have this which has less bone, and you can enjoy it more. This one I didn't really enjoy. So I have my green seasoning right here. I definitely will post a video on how I made the green seasoning, which I have already posted definitely before this video. You're seeing this video. So if you want to see the green seasoning, of course, the video, I'll link the video somewhere, and it should be in my description box as well to know how to make your own green seasoning. Yeah, check my channel. I have the video up there already. So I applied my green seasoning all over. So as I was saying, I do not really recommend this fish. Man, the bone in this fish just did not even allow me enjoy it. So I don't know. So now we are going to be popping this in the oven. I'm going to use my cast iron skillet that I have. I'm going to be spraying some avocado oil on there before I put my fish on. I love this cast iron skillet. I love the fact that I can use it in the oven, on the stove, anywhere at all. I use it everywhere, and I think that this is the Le Creuset brand or something. Yeah. So now we are putting this yummy looking fish on here, so you can grill and eat away. So I'm going to be popping that in my oven. I have to make sure all the sauce and everything was on there, because that's what makes it look juicy. So now I'm spraying a little bit of the oil on there as well on the fish, and then I'll be popping it in the oven. So this is how it's looking. So let's pop that in the oven, and boom, our fish is out. I had to put on a slice of some onion, tomatoes, on there. It's looking good. It was delicious, but the bone was something else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys, thank you so much for all your support. I'm seeing that, and I am grateful. Thank you so much to all the new ones, new people on here. Thank you so much for supporting. Okay, don't forget to share this video as it's very important to my channel, and leave your video suggestions down below. Thank you.